You're staring at a chaotic chart, lines crisscrossing, indicators blinking, and you're thinking, if only I had a better view. You've heard whispers of this magical platform called TradingView, but a nagging question lingers: is it free, or is it going to drain your trading account before you even place a trade? That's the burning question we're tackling today. Because let's be honest, in the wild west of online trading, every penny counts. And knowing exactly what you're paying for, or not paying for, is crucial. So, let's dive in. TradingView, at its core, offers a freemium model. Think of it like a buffet. You can sample a decent selection for free, but the premium delicacies require a subscription. The free version gives you access to a surprising amount of tools. You've got your basic charts, a range of indicators, drawing tools, and even a community where you can share and discuss ideas. For many beginners, or even casual traders, this free version is perfectly adequate. You can analyze price action, experiment with different strategies, and get a feel for the markets without spending a dime. But, and there's always a but, the free version comes with limitations. You'll encounter ads, sometimes a little intrusive, sometimes just a minor annoyance. You'll also find restrictions on the number of indicators you can use simultaneously, the number of saved chart layouts, and the frequency of alerts. These limitations can become increasingly frustrating as you become more serious about your trading. Now, let's talk about the paid tiers. TradingView offers several subscription options, each unlocking a range of advanced features. These include the Pro, Pro Plus, and Premium plans. Each step up in subscription level increases the number of indicators, charts, alerts, and other features you can utilize. Why would you pay for these? Well, imagine you're a day trader. Those extra alerts can be the difference between catching a fleeting opportunity and missing out entirely. Or perhaps you're a technical analyst who relies on multiple indicators to confirm your signals. The paid tiers allow you to layer these indicators without restriction, providing a more comprehensive view of the market. And let's not forget the absence of those pesky ads, creating a cleaner, more focused trading environment. The real value proposition of the paid tiers isn't just about more features, it's about efficiency and precision. By removing limitations and providing advanced tools, TradingView aims to streamline your trading process, allowing you to make faster, more informed decisions. For serious traders, this can translate to significant gains. So, is TradingView free or paid? The answer is both. It's a matter of your needs and your trading style. If you're just dipping your toes in the water, the free version is a fantastic starting point. It allows you to explore the platform and learn the ropes without any financial commitment. But as you progress and your trading becomes more sophisticated, the paid tiers offer a compelling upgrade, providing access to tools that can significantly enhance your analysis and execution. Ultimately, the decision rests on your shoulders. Consider your trading frequency, your reliance on indicators, and your tolerance for ads. Experiment with the free version, and if you find yourself hitting those limitations, explore the paid options. You might just discover that the investment is well worth it. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.